It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn step by step on how to create free Avenger meme quote images like this using free AI tools. Step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe for more AI content like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create free Avenger meme quote images like this using AI tools. So let's go.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open your browser and then you come to the address bar right here and type in w.stylar.ai. So you can see the URL right here and press enter key on your keyboard. All right, so before we can use these AI tools to generate anything, we have to create a free account with the website. If you have an account with them before, what you want to do is to just click on sign in. But if you don't have an account with them, you can click on sign up right here, or you come down here, click on sign up. Then there are two options by which you can use to sign up. You can easily continue with your Google account, or you enter your email and your password and agree with terms of service. But I'm going to use my Google account. So continue with my Google account. Then choose your Google account. Having chosen your Google account, is going to ask you some few questions. So you need to just answer this. A few questions can help you know more better. So I am just click on that and then choose what profession that describe you. Okay, I'm a business owner. Then general work on. So you have to tell them what exactly you are. So I'm a graphic designer or visual designer. Just choose the one that are related to your feed. Then come here, I hear stylar from, that is the reference. So you hear it from YouTube or from Facebook, Instagram or Twitter or Product Art, AI Director. So just choose any one right here. Then click on start creating. So account has been successfully set up. So it takes you back to the home page. So after you have created a successful account with this particular stylar AI tool, next thing you want to do is to start to creating a project for free. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the new project right here. Click on new project. Then it takes you to this particular page right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on text to image. Then right here, choose your style. So I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to make use of realistic style. Then you type in your prompt right here. So I have my prompt already, which I'm going to also put in the description of this video. So I'm going to head over to my prompt and I will just copy the prompt. So here's my prompt right here. A Wonder Woman is lying down on a pregnant chair wearing gown and holding her stomach, while a man in a Batman costume stand next to the room, has a various medical equipment like a monitor, 2 EKG machine, scanning machine, and doctor in present. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to highlight all the prompt. I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy the prompt. So you can also use the prompt and modify it. Then I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste. So having pasted the prompt, next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down. Then you have to make sure I click on stylize right here. So here we have it. So we can click on any of the results right here. So you can see, okay. So if you want to download any of the results right here, what you need to do is to click on the one you want to download. Or if you want to download everything right here, just make sure you select everything and then it's going to be placed on Canva. Next thing you want to do after you have selected all the four, as you can see right here, make sure you come down below right here and click on place on canvas. Then you are going to see the layer of all the four images right here. Okay, next thing you want to do is to right click on the image right here and make sure you click on save image as. So you can check your PC to view the image. So here we are. So this is the image right here. You can download all the four, you download any one of your choice. So this is how to use stylar.ai to generate funny, hilarious Avenger image for free. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful and you want more tutorial about this, remember to click on the subscribe, turn the notification bell so each time I post content you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.